Today I want to show you how to upload an image and work with the contour feature. I'm going to use a simple image of a beagle with a heart. I'm going to choose a simple image because it's not very complex. I'm going to click on the background to get rid of the areas that I don't want, but I'm also going to click on the heart in the center, and this will leave an open space in the dog. So I'll hit continue, and I'm going to save it as a cut image. And so what this would cut out would be the dog with the heart in the center. Make sure that you have the green outlining on the cut image and not on the print image. I'm going to load this onto my mat. Say insert the image, make it just a little bit larger, and then I'm going to duplicate this image. I can't make the image have multiple colors, and so by using the contour shape or contour function here, I can reproduce that original image. And so what I'm going to do on this first dog is click on the heart, and so that contour goes away. So it's just going to show me the outline of the dog. So I close that window and you'll see that in fact what I have is the outline of the dog. The second copy of the dog, I'm going to click on the dog itself, leaving the heart shape in place. Now that shape I can place where it originally was on the dog. I'm going to change the color here so that you can see what I'm talking about and where I want to place it. Make sure that both of your images are set to cut with the scissors, and then click on Make It. Now you'll see that there are two mats. One is going to cut black with the dog, and then the red will cut out the heart.